Hello, Rox here again. Welcome to my channel. Today is all about making a very basic soap. As basic as it gets, really. Being equipped to make a soap is a useful skill for anyone to have, like being able to cook, even if you aren't into fancy soap making. For this soap, we're using just 3 ingredients: water, lye and lard. So definitely not vegan, but in an emergency like, say, the zombie apocalypse, beggars can't be choosers, and animal fat is going to be much easier to lay your hands on than exotic oils and butters from far-flung continents. You might be thinking, why would I need to be able to make soap in a zombie apocalypse? Well, like nylons were in the UK during the war, Second World War, I reckon cosmetics will be highly coveted and eminently tradable. Those looters are going to strip every lush from here to kingdom come the first chance they get, so they can trade those babies. Anyway, I'm letting my imagination run away with itself. Let's get on with this soap. I'm using 1 kilogram of lard, 300 grams of water and 134 grams of sodium hydroxide. No fragrance, we're keeping it basic. Here's what it looks like on soap calc. It doesn't look promising according to these quality scores, but let's see later. I've melted down the lard and I'm waiting until it's cooled off enough to a point where it's still liquid but not cold enough to start solidifying again. As it's cooling, I'm mixing up the lye and putting that to one side to cool down a bit too. Now that both the lard and lye solution have cooled down, I'm adding the lye and I'm blending to reach a light trace. A light trace is where the oils and lye have thoroughly emulsified and the soap batter is thick enough for some of the batter to kind of sit on top of the mixture, leaving a trace of itself for just a couple of seconds. It's taking a long time. Okay, so now we have the right consistency. It's simply a matter of getting the soap into the mould. I'm going to put this in a box and wrap it in a blanket so it stays warm and put it somewhere safe until it's fully saponified. But because it's me, I'm somehow going to slop some of the soap out of the mould into the box and not notice. Right, it's been 24 hours and I'm back to cook the soap. This is what happened when it slopped out of the mould. But we've still got soap and I still haven't been eaten by zombies. I'll just tidy this up a bit. Now, because it's a very plain soap, it's not very exciting to cut, but hopefully you can get an idea of the texture and hardness, and we'll do a lather test to see how it performs. Based on the soap calc predictions, I'm not expecting a beautiful fluffy lather, but you could add sugar or even replace the water with beer to get a more bubbly soap, but the idea was to keep it basic. Here goes the lather test. If my eyes aren't deceiving me, those shiny transparent spherical things are bubbles. We've got bubbles. Okay, so there you have it. A simple soap made from 3 basic ingredients that'll see you through the zombie apocalypse. Right, I'm off to board up my windows, just in case, and I'll see you later.